frozen night, a flame still burning, faint but bright. Across the frost, beyond the flame, I walk alone, but not in shame. Every scar, a story known, I carry hope, the winds have blown. Through fire and snow I walk for you. Through shattered skies and darkest blue. No storm too wild, no night too long. My love, my will, forever strong. The ash may fall, the ice may rise, but I won't kneel, I won't disguise. The path is cruel, the end unknown, but still I march for you alone. The winds may scream, the embers glow, but I still feel your heart below. Through fire and snow I walk for you. Through shattered skies and darkest blue. No storm too wild, no night too long. My love, my will, forever strong. If I must burn, if I must freeze, I'll brave the flames, I'll cross the seas. Your name, the light that guides me home. Through all the cold, through ash and stone. Through fire and snow I come for you. Through pain and fear I still stay true. No fate can break what we have known. I'll find you, and I won't walk alone.